Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to do a flip through with you guys on my cappuccino coffee journal that I just got done making. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. All right. So I had really fun doing this. I just quilted the front of it, and it's got batting behind it, which is, I'll show you. It's just a natural cotton batting, and it just kind of gives it a quilted plush look. So that's batting, and I did the front here and did a little phrase around it, and then used some painter's cloth that you could just go get at Ace Hardware or any kind of hardware store or something like that. And I did the spine with it, and then the back, and I did some batting underneath it, so it's got like a plush feel to it. So that's the outside of it, and we got a fun little dangle here with a little kitty cat charm. You can see that. And I got a bulb pin up here with some beads on it, just clipped to the top through the eyelet, and some, oh, how did I do this? Avocado dyed and onion dyed fabric and laces, and then some just some cotton rope throughout, and some beads. So it's got some dangly beads in here too. Okay, so that's the little dangle, and I used seam binding to tie it for the closure. So let's make sure I'm pulling the right ones here. We don't want to make a knot. Okay, wow. Okay, so we got the closure, and I have 4 signatures in here, and I'll have the measurements and the page numbers and all that in my Etsy shop, and this will be in my Etsy shop. I'll put it in today. And throughout, you're going to see the lace that I put on it, and it's all avocado and onion skin dyed. So there's that. And I went ahead and just painted around the edges here with some acrylic paints to give the edging the brown, and just some fun pockets at the front here, and craft paper. Each signature has a craft paper at the beginning and end. I thought that would be fun. And throughout, you're going to see onion skin dyed and avocado dyed papers too. So the index card. And then I did some stitching. And also some fun pull out little vintage, just, here, I'll show you, just the McCall's sewing little patterns that you can get. And I got this at Goodwill, and I'm definitely assuming it's definitely vintage by the clothes. So see, it's a great place just to go get some stuff, and these are great to use in your junk journals and stuff. But it was part of that in here, so it's just like the directions and stuff. So I thought I'd throw that in there for flip outs. Pretty fun. Okay, and more avocado, and some fun coloring pages and stuff. And I have a lot of, it's pretty much a naked journal, tons of journaling space in here. I love to make tons of journaling space in this journal. Okay, and then some sewing around the envelope so you can have a pocket here. Some line paper, and then a magazine, or this, I think this is a garden book page. And I put some, for texture over the top. It has glue, a glue and water with baby powder mixture, and it just made it, give it a cool texture to it. So it's kind of fun. Okay. And then the other side of the envelope. And more coloring pages. And then here's another flip out. And this one flips out pretty far. So I don't even know if I can fit it in frame, but it just goes out like that. So you got all kinds of stuff to work on there, and you can, you know, do whatever you want there. Put some glue pages and do some journaling and add your own little flair to it. And just a cute little wiener dog on a text or index card. And then that's signature 1. Okay, and then we got avocado dyed. And some fun journaling pages. This is some tissue paper that I took some RIT dye to, which I'll show you. So this is just RIT dye that I use for my tie-dye banner flags and my gift bags, my rainbow gift bags that I sell in my Etsy shop. So if you want to go check those out, they're in there. But this is just RIT dye. So it's just a liquid dye that I put in a spritz bottle, and just did that with some tissue paper just to give it some fun. Okay, and then a paper bag, some pockets, some sewing. And then this was just a collage page that I did. I did this on one of my other YouTube videos, and I did it with you guys. And tea bags, I put tea bags on it, plus I used some of these papers, these pattern papers, and a napkin and stuff, and I decoupaged. We did a bunch of decoupaging. And then that's a waterfall coming down on the, so there's a magazine page with a waterfall in the background. So it's kind of fun. So yeah, so that's fun. And then another pocket. Put some stuff in there. And some lined paper. Yeah, so you'll see a theme throughout. And then we got a little cute little alligator on the index card. Okay, and then another index card at the beginning. And a gift card. Just a little gift card that I did some sewing around. Some music paper. And this little cute little bird. And I took it was a really shiny book page, and I took the glue and baby powder and water mixture and did it over the top and got the shine out of it. And I can put that link down below if you guys are interested to come check out the 3 ways how to take shine out of magazine pages. I can put that below for you. And then some fun music papers. This is the other side of the gift card. And I got fun threads that are hanging and stuff. I like that. Okay, avocado dyed. And this one's a little rainbow. It's the rainbow index card. With some stitching around it. So you can see there at the beginning and the end of each signature. So it's fun to play with. Okay, and then another one here. And you got onion skin dyed. And another flip out. There we go. Avocado dyed. And another little gift card that's sewn around. And I did a little bit of inking. I think it was vintage photo. I just did some vintage photo around it. And a fun middle of the signature. And the other side of the card. I'll washi tape that. I didn't know I had a little rip, but I'll just put some washi tape on that one. It's a little trick that helps. And another little fold out. Okay. And a little wiener dog at the end. And it's onion skin dyed with some little stitching around. So, and then the pocket in the back. So you could put something back here too. And that's the back of it. And it's all stitched around. So, and it's all bound in. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. And make sure to comment down below. And please come check out my Etsy shop. Even if you're not going to purchase, it helps me out to come and favorite my shop. Just hit the little heart button, and when you favorite, you can see when I add new things to my shop, and you guys can come check it out. So thank you guys again for following along, and keep on crafting.